I had just the most wonderful day today. I needed to go to Toronto, and Grania from Jungle Flowers Canada invited me to have tea and homemade scones with her. And it just filled my bucket. It was just like being home. It was lovely just to spend time with her and to see her collection and just to chat about our stories and how we ended up in Canada and life and family. It was amazing. Of course, I wanted to take her a little surprise, and I thought I'd put together a little mystery cuttings bundle for her to unbox on her channel. This is a pretty good example of some of the hoya that would be included in my Quirky cuttings bundle that's available on my website on quirkylemon.com. So I included some surprises in there, as well as a small pot of stratum so that she could try rooting some of them in stratum. And I wanted to include just a little special gift for her. I gifted her a cutting of my Polyneuria outer variegated. She had just started to root, so I'm really excited to see how Jungle Flowers Canada gets on with that. I always include a really detailed care guide, and I wanted to try something fun with Grania and have her try and match the plant tags with the plants that are inside. So you need to head over to her YouTube channel and see how she did at labeling and identifying everything. I put the little Polyneuria separately just so that, well, I didn't trust it in the box, to be honest, so I just wanted to have it separate so it didn't tip over or there was no kind of concerns about it. And I was hoping that I would be the first person to gift her a Christmas card. I love these cards from Saucy Avocado. I'll put the link in my description, and I send them to, plant friends and also to customers. I think I was there like 3 hours. We just chatted, and of course she gave me a whole load of cuttings. We basically walked around her collection and she was like, do you have one of these? Do you have one? Do you want one of these? Do you have one of these? So I will do my own little show and tell of what I took from Jungle Flowers Canada's home that are now part of my home, which just makes me really happy. And then of course I had to have a little visit to Vandermeer's after because I needed to avoid the traffic on the drive home. I'm exhausted. It was a lot of driving today, but I will do a little unboxing of the plants that I got from Jungle Flowers Canada in the next couple of days. So head over to Grania's channel and watch her unbox my little gifts. Thanks for watching, everybody.